4, we're going to start with the transformations. And for the transformations, we only have 3. Guys, remember, you have a fraction for an A value, which means it's a vertical compression. And the batho bifactor, just a half. This graph has been shifted 1 unit to the left, and it's been shifted 2 units up. Does this graph open up or down? It opens up. Very good. Remember that, because we're going to fill in a bunch of these blanks without graphing it. You guys should be able to do this. All right, so for your vertex, I know the vertex is -1, +2. I know the axis of symmetry always equals h, so I'm going to rewrite that -1. And guys, you just told me the graph opens up forever, which means it's impossible to have a maximum. So circle the word minimum, and then look at your vertex. What's the k value of your vertex? That's right, that goes here. Your domain, -infinity to +infinity. That minimum of 2, that starts your range. Remember, the graph opens up forever. And then your y-intercept, I don't know, we'll plug that in a minute. But I know the first number is 0. And then the x-intercepts. All right, listen. Y'all look at me. X-intercepts. What's the k value again? It's +2, right? And remember that k value tells you it's 2 places above the origin. So in your head, look at 2 places above the origin. Does this graph open up or down? Is it going to cross the x-axis? Because it's already above and it goes up forever. Very good. So let's write none. All right, let's graph it. We plot the dot. Let's plot -1, +2. And then draw your sideways movement. Remember, only a couple of times. And then y'all, please think about what you're doing here. What is the A value? What is it? What is the A value? That is correct. So, guys, we are cutting things in half. We want nice, easy, clean numbers. Can odd numbers be cut in half with a nice, easy, clean whole number? No. So I'm not putting a 1 here. I'm not putting a 3 there. I am putting all even numbers in the first column. So I'm going to go 2 places to the left, then I'm going to go 4 places right. So when I go 2 places to the left, -2 squared is 4, but when we cut 4 in half, it's just a 2. So from your vertex, go 2 places to the left and go up 2 places, because that's going to be your first dot. Oh my goodness sakes, I didn't draw my axis of symmetry. I'll draw it in a minute. So for my 4, y'all, 4 squared is 16, but remember we're cutting it in half. So go 4 places to the right, then go up 8 places. That's going to put you at the top of your graph, the top of the picture. And then use your axis of symmetry to grab your other points. Guys, make sure you do yours right. I didn't count over enough. I only counted 3 over. So make sure you go 4 over for those ordered pairs at the top. 4 over from your vertex. I got bad news. Well, not really, because it's easy. when you have a y-intercept that is not on like a clean whole number, you have to solve for it, guys. So when you solve for this, it turns into 5 halves, which is 2.5.